National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Logan County, northwestern Greene County, Clark County, Champaign County, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:13 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Vandalia to Sydney, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Beaver Creek, New Carlisle, St. Paris, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Fairborn, Bellefontaine, Yellow Springs, West Liberty, Urbana, Springfield, South Charleston, Mechanicsburg. In addition, Quincy, Carysville, Christiansburg, Rosewood, Kaiser Lake State Park, DeGraff, Logansville, and Park Lane are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 42 and 70. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Friday morning for southeastern Indiana and northern Kentucky and southwest Ohio. Now for the